Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear.
For too long, the UK glazing market has been at loggerheads to find a solution for lower U values, without the handling and installation issues currently presented by standard triple glaze units on a commercially viable scale. And Regency Glass have been looking into what we could do to help. Have you heard about Corning Enlighten Glass? Well, let me tell you, this is going to revolutionise the glazing game. Not only can this glass withstand thermal stress without the need for tempering, but it also offers low U values and only a 5% weight increase over conventional double glaze units. But how? Leveraging decades of experience, Corning Incorporated developed an ultra-thin 0.5mm glass for architectural applications known as Corning Enlighten Glass. This boroaluminosilicate glass is designed with heat resistance and low thermal expansion in mind. Enlighten Glass can withstand significant temperature changes without breaking, unlike annealed soda lime glass. In the past, similar glass compositions have been used in applications like laboratory glassware, television displays, and lighting. But in our case, using Enlighten Glass as the center pane of our new triple glaze units allows us to make RTGUs thinner and lighter than traditional triples, without the need for toughening the center pane or sacrificing Regency's quality and reliability. I think we've found the solution. Meet the future of triple glazing, Regency Triple, featuring Corning Enlighten Glass.
For more information on Regency Triple, featuring Corning Enlighten Glass, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.